I gave an audition in for Nenjamundu Nermandu. So Santanam is, yeah, he doesn't know Hindi, so we were like trying to talk in Hindi, and we were discussing all the bad words and everything. I don't know. I'm always working with good actors. It's there since childhood. I bite my nails, and my nails are like pathetic. Like,
You want to
oh,
be an aerosters like that, but now
no, I
you're
want no, 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 no. I wanted to become a doctor. Okay, she'll end up becoming, and my brothers were useless. Like, they would never score about 50, 60%.
if your brother see this
No, no,
video
no. They seen
something
my movie a lot of times. Nenjamundu Nermandu.
you realize, oh my god, I changed as a boy.
First, I'll check out myself in the mirror. Okay. I'll check on myself. What are the changes? என்ன
என்ன
தம்பி
தம்பி
என்ன
என்ன
என்ன என்ன தம்பி என்ன ஆச்சு?
சோத்துலயும் அடி வாங்கியாச்சு, சேத்துலயும் அடி வாங்கியாச்சு.
சோத்துலே அணி வாங்கியாச்சு.
ஹலோ அதன் சினிமா வியூவர்ஸ், வணக்கம் அண்ட் வெல்கம் டு த ஷோ என்னை எறிந்தால். ஸோ என்னை எறிந்தாலே எப்பயுமே ஒரு செம்ம செலிபிரிட்டி ஒருத்தவங்க வருவாங்க. அவங்க கூட ஜாலியாக நிறைய விஷயங்கள் பேசிட்டு அண்ட் அவங்க எப்படி இண்டஸ்ட்ரிக்கு வந்தாங்க, அவங்களுக்கு இன்னும் என்னென்ன ஆசைகள்லாம் இருக்குது, என்னென்னலாம் பண்ணணும் லட்சியத்தோடு இருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு தான் பார்ப்போம். இன்னைக்கு நம்ம கூட ஒரு செம்ம க்யூட்டான ஒரு செலிபிரிட்டி வந்திருக்காங்க. அவங்க பேர் சொல்லணும்னா நீங்கள் ஈஸியாக கண்டுபிடிச்சிருவீங்க. பட் அவங்க 2 படம் நடிச்சிருந்தா கூட நிறையா பேருக்கு வந்து இந்த டிபியில் வைக்கிறதுக்கு, வாட்ஸ்அப் ஸ்டேட்டஸில் வைக்கிறதுக்குலாம் நம்ம தேடுவோம்ல. அப்போ தேடினா அவங்களோட ஃபோட்டோ, அவங்களோட வீடியோஸ்லாம் கண்டிப்பாக வரும். அப்படி ஒருத்தவங்க தான் நம்ம கூட இருக்காங்க. ஸ்ரீன் கான்ச்வாலா, வெல்கம் டு தி ஷோ.
ஹாய், வணக்கம்.
வணக்கம். சூப்பரா இருக்கேன்.
Thank you
தமிழ்
so
சூப்பரா
much
பேசுறீங்க.
for such a lovely welcome.
ஓகே, எப்படி போயிட்டு இருக்கு கொரோனா அண்ட் செல்ஃப் ஐசோலேஷன் இல்லாட்டினா குவாரண்டைன், இதெல்லாம் எப்படி போயிட்டு இருக்கு?
It's actually very boring because since no shoots, it's been 6 months, and for me, I have always been working, since the age of 19. So for me, it's very difficult to just stay at home. But actually, to be honest, it's let's take it in a positive way. I'm spending a lot of time with my family, which I was not able to, over the past few years. So that way it's okay, but I seriously want this to get over, and I want everything to go back to normal. I think 6 months is too much. 6 months holiday, it's vacation is too much.
6 month vacation.
Yeah.
ஓகே,
So
என்னென்ன
actually, even if you
ப்ராடக்ட்?
take a vacation, you go out, but here you can't even go out. It's like, you're stuck. It's kind of like a jail,
ஜெயில்.
where you have to just, yeah. The feeling is like that.
சேம். ஓகே, இந்த குவாரண்டைன் பீரியட்ல எனி ப்ரொடக்டிவ் ஒர்க்ஸ் இல்ல ஏதாவது லேர்ன் பண்ற செல்ஃப் லேர்னிங் அந்த மாதிரி ஏதாவது பண்ணீங்களா?
I'm watching a lot of movies, and actually, I had joined dance classes, but I couldn't resume. So I'm
ஓகே.
watching a lot of movies, trying to improve my acting skills, trying to improve my. There's a lot of lessons since my brother and his wife, they're back to
ஓகே.
Mumbai. They were in Dubai, so I'm spending a lot of time with them, playing games and all that. So yeah, and
ஓகே.
sleeping. Lot of beauty
ஸ்லீப்பிங்.
sleep.
ஸோ நவ் யூ ஆர் இன் மும்பை.
Yeah, I'm in Mumbai, and Mumbai situation is worst. It's
யா.
increasing day by day. Yeah.
So all other states are giving result 2 to 3 digits, but in Mumbai, Maharashtra usually giving report
Oh,
5
it
digits,
is the
6
worst.
digit.
Mumbai and Pune, it is the worst. I think Chennai also, it has improved. It has now becoming better. But
But
Mumbai is really bad. Yeah, it's very risky to go out, and let's not take that chance. And it's better to stay home and stay safe. Yeah.
ஓகே. ஸோ தமிழ் எப்படி கற்றுக்கிட்டீங்க? தமிழ் இண்டஸ்ட்ரிக்குள்ளே வரணும்னு எப்படி உங்களுக்கு ஒரு ஐடியா வந்துச்சு?
Basically, I never planned to, but it's all luck. I gave an audition in for
ஓகே.
Nenjamundu Nermandodu Raja. So they
ஆ.
called me, and I gave the audition and all. They really liked it, and they were like, we want like somebody like that. So
யா.
basically they liked my expressions, and that's how I did my debut with Sivakarthikeyan Productions, and I'm so blessed and so happy, so lucky to be a part of that team. And the best part is during the release date of my first movie, my
Mm.
second movie started. So it's all going well for me. Yeah, no complaints, and really,
Okay. So
it's a
from that
pleasure.
movie, now you are acting with the comedy superstar
Yes,
Santanam sir,
Santanam,
Dick Lona.
Santanam. Yeah,
So
yeah,
how
yeah.
you felt
This is the first time I'm doing a two heroine subject,
subject?
but yeah, but I really like my character in the movie. My characterization is completely different from both movies. So in Enjamandu and in Walter, I played a Paka South Indian girl, like a very homely girl. But here I will be something different. So looking
So
forward
what is
for
the
the
difference you
release.
felt? What is the difference you felt like for
The
South
character is
Indian?
completely different. The
So
in that
look wise, and mannerism wise, what you learn for
uh,
that?
uh, so I had a proper training, like a 1 month training before the shoot started. So yeah, the reason I selected this movie is because of the story. The story is really good. It's something very different. And time machine movies, I think everybody enjoys time machine movies. You know that
Yeah.
that curiosity is there. Okay, like see what's next. You know, everybody has that curiosity in their mind that what will happen after 10 years, what will happen. Even I do. So time machine movies, they never go wrong. So, and of course, it's a triple role, and something audience will really enjoy. Yeah.
Okay. What I asked, you told you played a Pakka South Indian girl, right? You played a role.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
it's
Yeah,
so
especially
very
in
difficult.
Walter.
Yeah, it's so
Like
difficult, you know.
very sweet, very loving, very caring types, you know.
So
Yeah,
what are
it
the
will be
things
something
you
special.
learned for that?
What are the things I learned? Actually, I am like that, you know, my nature is only like that. Even at
Okay.
home, and yeah, yeah, that's actually that's the real me. So yeah.
So how you came into industry and which thing made you to come here to act?
Uh, actually, I was working for Jet Airways as an air hostess. I worked for three
Oh,
years.
aerosters.
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. So that's how I started at the age of 19 after college.
Okay. Okay.
So I never actually thought I'll become an actor and all. I was just doing modeling just for fun, for just for pocket money. So
Okay.
uh, there are a lot of casting directors and a lot of coordinators and all. They contacted me that why don't you act as well? You know, you look good, and I think you have that in you. So they liked my pictures, and that's how my pictures started circulating everywhere, my modeling pictures. And I started getting inquiries for auditions and everything. And I have my proper team in Chennai, my manager, my PRO, and all. So they promoted me, they pushed me, and yeah, I'm very
How you approach
thankful,
these things to
grateful
your
to them.
family? How you approach these things? I gonna act
They're very
and how you
Yeah,
approach this
actually,
to
that's a
family?
coincidence, you know. Somebody who never wanted to become an actor, that person became an actor. So they were surprised in the start, but they have been very supportive. Like even they never say a no for anything. They know, they trust, they have that, and they're very proud. Not just my family, even my relatives, my friends, and everyone. And it feels so good. It feels so special because the crew thing was very monotonous. Every day was the same work that you do every day, same monotonous work that you have to do there. But here, every day is a new day. Every day you learn something new, which you haven't done ever. So, yeah, I'm very happy, and I want to continue this. And I want to act in a lot of movies. I want to do different roles, and let's see.
Okay. So watching our movie in big screen, it's not an easy thing. After watching your first movie,
Yeah,
how you
yeah,
felt and
yeah.
how your family members felt?
They loved it. My parents were with me for the first day first show, and I was like, oh my God, that's me, and that goosebumps were there, that nervousness was there, that thing excitement
Where
was
you watched
there,
that
and
movie in
you
Chennai or in Chennai? Where you watched that movie?
In Chennai,
Okay, with you
Forum
along with
Mall,
your family
Forum
members.
Mall. Yes.
Okay,
My parents were
okay,
there. So mostly my mom usually comes for the shoot. My dad only came for the promotion part.
okay.
Yeah, it feels good. Even I was looking at them and I was like seeing their expressions. So yeah, it feels amazing. You don't have words to describe how you feel when you watch yourself on big screen, and it's a proud moment for me.
Okay. So now Dikilona.
Yeah,
This movie is totally different concept as already said. So
it
is
is.
you felt anything difficult to act in this movie, and also you are acting with some legend actors.
Hmm.
That's not an easy
Uh,
thing.
Actually, everybody is very down to earth. I'm telling you, I'm kind of lucky that I get to work with such wonderful people. Nobody has ever shown any kind of attitude that they are senior or anything. Yeah, everybody, like everyone works like a team. Nobody is superior. Nobody is like, and even when I go wrong, they correct me in such a good way that, I don't know. I'm always working with good actors. Yeah, I'm blessed. I think everybody is good here in Tamil industry,
Okay.
Everybody is very down to earth and very supportive. Yeah.
Okay, sure. And share some funny incidents what happened in your shoot time in between shoots.
Funny incident. Funny incidents. So Santanam is always yeah, he doesn't know Hindi, so we were like trying to talk in Hindi, and we were discussing all the bad words and everything. So that was one funny moment that happened that day. And I'm not a dancer. I
Bad
haven't
words.
done. Yeah, yeah.
Oh my
So we were
god. Okay.
translating. So they
Tell
were
me
like,
something.
okay, tell me what
Anything.
all the bad words.
Any
No, no,
one
I
word.
can't say. Oh, no. You can't. I can't. But yeah, I know few bad words in Tamil. So they
Okay.
were like, okay, this means that in Hindi, So we were like just
Okay.
translating. Yeah.
So I have set of questions to you.
Okay.
Okay. This round is truth or truth. Okay. Not dare.
Okay.
Truth
No
or truth.
option. Okay.
No option.
Okay. I'll try.
No, you
I
have to
don't
tell.
like though. Okay.
Okay.
You're gonna ask me something very
Okay.
funny, I know.
Ready?
Yeah.
What is your next movie after Dikilona?
Next, I'm doing a movie with Vimal Hero.
Okay. Okay. Movie name still not decided.
They haven't confirmed. There is a name, but I don't want to disclose it. I want the
Okay.
team to themselves, yeah. But
Okay.
I've already done with the shoot.
Okay. What is
So,
your
yeah.
age? Have to tell
My
truth.
age,
Age.
my age is 25. I don't lie about my
Oh,
age.
even even I
Yeah.
am also 25.
Uh, oh, very
Okay.
nice, very nice. So
What
people
is your
say that I look very,
qualification?
very young. My qualification is
Sorry?
BCom. I'm a graduate.
BCom.
BCom,
Okay.
commerce
You have
student.
any, still you
Yeah.
have any arrears?
Still, I have any?
Arrears.
Areas means no.
Backlogs.
I was always no. I was always a smart student in school
Smart
and
student.
college. I
First bench
always used to
student.
score. Yeah. No, not first
Oh.
bench, but I would always score like 80%, 90%, and
Oh.
I was selected like yeah. My name would always
Okay.
come on the main blackboard. Always
Okay.
in top three in school and college both.
And your hobby.
My
What's your
hobby.
hobby? You should not tell drawing, dancing. You should not tell like this.
No, I
Real
like
hobby.
reading. I
Reading.
like reading. Yeah. I have
Okay.
always been uh, a nerd, you know. I love to read books, especially
Okay,
fantasies and
that's like very formal.
motivating books.
I'm asking about some stupid hobby we all have, you know.
Watching Netflix. I'm watching a lot of Netflix shows, series, and in this quarantine period, we've got some new pets at home. So I'm
Okay.
mostly spending time with my pets. Yeah,
Okay.
birds and turtles and yeah. So yeah,
Okay.
no,
What is
no
your goal
stupid.
on 10
Just
years
give me an
before?
example. What stupid habit? Oh, I have a stupid habit of biting nails. Like I always
That's
bite
what I
my
asked.
nails. Okay, so I got it. I cannot. It's there since childhood. I bite my nails, and my nails are like pathetic, like because I bite them all
Okay.
the time because of stress. Because I don't know. I'm just habituated. Yeah.
Okay. And what is your goal 10 years before and what is your goal now? 10 years before you
Uh,
dreamed something.
10 years
So we want to
before,
be an aerosters like that. But now
no, I
you're
want no 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 no
uh,
no. I wanted to become a doctor.
okay. Okay.
I wanted to become a doctor always, or a
It's when
CA
you were school times.
doctor. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
I told you, right? My name would always come in top three and all. So even my
Yeah.
family and everyone, they thought that, okay, she'll end up becoming, and my brothers were useless. Like they would never score about 50, 60 percentage.
If
They
your
were
brother see
really
this video, if your brother see
no,
this
no,
video,
no. They
surely
know.
he will hit.
They never scored more than 50, 60. Like they were really bad in studies.
Okay.
But one is an interior designer, one is doing aeronautical engineering, and
Oh
me,
my God.
I
Even I am also an aeronautical engineer.
really, really nice, nice. One is into like I have, yeah, one is into hotel management, and everybody's doing like something good. But for me, I always thought I'll become. But I'm very proud.
Doctor.
I'm very happy, very satisfied. Yeah, whatever I'm doing.
So if any chances come to act as a doctor, you will feel
I
happy, right?
would. Why not? I would love
Okay.
to.
And next question is, what is your favorite movie and how many times you saw that movie?
Uh, a Hindi movie? I've seen a lot
Anything.
of Hindi movies. जाने तू या जाने ना दिल तो पागल है कुछ कुछ होता है these are like I've seen it many times I like rom-com so
Okay.
Kabir
So
Singh
when you are coming to Tamil industry, you may watch some Tamil movies like
yeah I've seen
something.
my movie a lot of times Nenjamandu Nirvan
Okay.
I have
Actually,
seen
there is
my
a
movie I
difference
think I've seen it
between
at least 10
Bollywood.
15 times and
Okay.
even Walter
Oh, there is a difference between Bollywood acting and Kollywood acting, you know.
yeah yeah
So to act in Tamil industry, you have to learn the things, what they are, how they are doing.
yes
So for that,
yes but I
you
haven't done any Bollywood movie I
okay,
haven't acted huh.
but you
But
have to
yeah, when I
learn
watched, there's a
Tamil
lot of
actors
difference, and
mannerism
I think
and
most of the Bollywood movies they get it from South only, like Singham and most of the movies, especially social message movies are there, like yeah. So most
okay,
of them they copy from, yeah.
copied,
No, not copy, as in remake,
inspired.
inspired is the right word, yeah.
Okay, and what is your business?
My
If you are
business,
not, yeah,
huh?
what is your business actually?
If I was, maybe I would get into makeup or something. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, never
If
thought
you're
of
not
it.
coming to if you're not coming to this industry, what you will do?
Business. Maybe I'll open a good parlor, like a spa
Parlor.
thing, like a big parlor or something.
Okay.
Maybe I don't know. I never thought of doing any business. My dad is a businessman, and I see he's always stressed about his business, and also I don't think so. I would get into any kind of business.
Okay. And what's your weight?
My weight, I'm 50
Weight.
kg.
50 kg. Exactly 50
Yeah,
kg.
exact 50. Maybe here and
Okay.
there, but around that much only. Yeah.
So because of this quarantine period and no work, you gain some weight or oh my god, I am putting some weight. I have to reduce that. like that you felt?
No, I never put on weight. I'm like this only. I don't put on. Even I don't diet. I eat everything,
Okay.
sweets and a lot of things I eat, but I never put on weight. I don't know why.
Oh,
My metabolism is very good. I've good
you are
high
blessed.
metabolism. I'm blessed actually. I don't go to gym. I don't do yoga. I don't need to do it. If I do it, then I'll disappear. I don't need to do
But
it. Yes.
everybody wants that, but it's not happening to everyone. So
Yeah,
you are
I
blessed.
don't put on weight. I lose weight, but I don't put on weight. I just
Okay.
maintain my weight. Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to next round. Uh, I will ask some stupid questions. Okay.
Okay.
You have to replay that full and full stupid manner. Okay.
Okay. Okay, I'll
Okay.
try. Okay.
First question. The next day, tomorrow morning, you are waking up and you realized, oh my God, I changed as a boy. How it happened? Like that you felt. Okay. What you will do?
Okay. What will I do? I'll
Hmm.
freak out. I'll definitely freak out and what will I do? I don't know. I'll be in uh, some different zone only. I don't know what will I do when I become a boy.
No idea.
First, I'll check out myself in the mirror. Okay. I'll check on myself. What are the changes?
Okay.
And
So you will try
maybe
as a hero, right?
try as a
If
hero. Oh, it's not so easy. Nothing is easy. But yeah, if let's see, maybe yeah.
okay. And second questions, if you have a chance to operate the time travel machine,
Okay. I'll
you will
definitely
go.
go
Come on,
see my future.
future.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I won't go to my past and change anything.
Okay.
I don't have any regrets or I don't think so. I've, I will go to the past and change anything about me, but I'll definitely go and see, okay, how will I be? What
For
will
how
I
many
be
years?
doing?
For how many years you will travel?
A lot of years. I'll keep traveling. I'll keep seeing,
Keep
okay, okay. So what
keep
happens? So what
traveling.
happens? So what happens? Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'll
Okay.
be so many things. Yeah. After
Nice.
10 years, after 20 years, like that.
Okay. And you got a superpower. Third question is you got a superpower. You can do whatever it is what you want.
I want
Okay.
to read people's minds. Like that is
Read
the
people's
thing. I
mind.
wanna, yeah, that superpower should be
That's
there.
very
Like
very
I'll
worst
just
thing.
get to know. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And
First,
other thing,
you
yeah,
will
I
start
think
with whom? You will start with whom?
start with whom?
Reading minds. You
With
will start with whom?
everyone, friends. I think
Especially you
family,
have.
like we share everything.
Especially you
Okay.
always. Okay, we have to know about him, her like that. You usually think
Especially
no.
about the new people that come across to your life, right? New people. When you meet
Okay.
somebody for the first time or when you get to know someone like that. Yeah. Especially
Okay.
the people you come across because the people you know already, you know, okay, what's happening. They
Okay.
usually
What
share
they are
everything.
thinking about us.
Yeah, yeah, like that. Like first impression.
Okay. You're going on a bike. Okay. Suddenly, four
Yeah.
rowdies rounded up you, surrounds you, and they are blocking you. What you will do? You have, any self-defensing, or what
Me.
you will do?
Uh, what will I do? So I
Hmm.
always keep a pepper spray in my
Pepper spray.
bag. If that's not enough,
Okay.
yeah, I have that pepper spray. I always keep it as a
Okay.
safety in my purse.
After putting
Otherwise,
spray on their
I don't
face,
think so.
wait, wait.
I can beat
After
around four people. I'll run away. I'll call police. I'll call my
okay,
family.
okay.
I will
Uh,
call, yeah.
After putting spray on their face, they are telling, "Ma'am, we are your fans. That's why we blocked you, ma'am. What is this, ma'am?" Like that, they are asking what you will do.
Nothing. I'll apologize and If they want to click photos or if they want an autograph, whatever it is, I'll just give it to them and I'll tell them not to scare somebody like that again.
Okay. You're going for shooting and you struck with an old building, one very terror ghost.
Okay.
It's continuously making you to fear and it's doing something the ghost thinks. Okay. What you will do?
Okay.
Nobody's there.
I'll start
You are the
praying.
only. Okay, you will start praying.
I'll start praying. What else to do? Yeah. No, what else? What else do you do when you get stuck like this? In an old building. I'll start
But
praying.
that
I'll
ghost
start.
is ready to
I
talk
don't know.
with you.
So I'll talk to the ghost. I'll ask him what does he want.
Okay.
I don't know. But I'll freak out. I'll be scared. I'm scared of ghosts and all that. I don't watch ghost movies alone, especially if okay, even if I watch alone, especially if there's nobody in the house, I won't watch it alone. I won't be able to sleep only. I'll always wake up. And I can't sleep with complete darkness also. Yeah,
Oh. So what is the last ghost or
yeah.
horror movie you watched?
Some English movie only. I saw The Nun.
None.
The Nun I saw. On Netflix I saw Nun. Yeah.
Okay, after watching
But
this
it
kind of
wasn't
ghost
that
movies,
that it was okay.
some after effects will be there.
So whatever, so I'll get bad dreams if I
Okay.
watch horror movies. Yeah.
Like what I'm
So
asking.
usually they say, right, like whatever you think before you sleep, you get it in dreams. So if you're
Yeah.
just watching a movie before sleeping, you'll definitely get it. Yeah. So whatever you are thinking about before going to sleep, that actually comes in dreams.
Okay. Still now, up to now, you fighted with anyone in public.
Anyone in public like that?
Anyone.
No. Not like
Nobody.
this. But I
Okay.
usually at home with my brothers, this happens, but not
This
outside.
when you're fighting with your brothers, not now, in your childhood days, who will
Yeah.
win? And you got any
Oh,
scares?
no, I didn't get any scars. Usually I gave them scars because so usually I would just hit something on them, whatever I'll get, and I'll just hit something on them, and then I'll go to my father running and
Okay.
I'll start crying that see what he did, what he did. So usually I'll escape, but they will get into some problem. So I never got any scars, but yeah, uh, I was in childhood, so we used to fight all the time. But now, no more. Yeah.
Which is your weapon? When you're fighting, which is your weapon?
Oh, whatever I'll get. Like if I'm
What?
eating something, I'll throw like whatever. Like when I was a child, yeah, that time.
But
So
at the
usually
end,
whatever's
usually
around.
at the end of the
I
fight,
have
usually
I have hit him with
parents
his bat also. Hey, they
bat,
will take my side only.
cricket bat.
Yeah, his own cricket bat.
Oh my God. Okay. At the end, your parents will support you, right?
Yeah, because I'm the only girl, no.
Girl.
So
So
I'm the
sad of
only
your
daughter.
brothers. I am so sad of your brothers. Okay. And let's conclude the show. Last one thing. You have to tell any Tamil dialogues. Famous dialogue.
I'll say,
Not from, it should not be from your movie, but I will tell.
tell
You have to
me,
repeat that.
you tell me, I'll repeat. I'll repeat. Yes, I'll
Okay.
repeat.
என்ன தம்பி என்ன ஆச்சு சேம் மாடுலேஷன்
என்ன
என்ன
தம்பி
தம்பி
என்ன
என்ன
ஆச்சு?
ஆச்சு இன்னும்
என்ன
இன்னும்
தம்பி என்ன ஆச்சு?
ஆ.
என்ன
என்ன
தம்பி
தம்பி
என்ன
என்ன
என்ன என்ன தம்பி என்ன ஆச்சு? என்ன தம்பி means what brother?
வாட் பிரதர் வாட் ஹேப்பன்
What happened? I understood. I
ஓகே
understood. I can understand, but it's difficult for me to talk.
ஓகே
என்ன
லாஸ்ட் ஒன்
தம்பி
டைலாக்
என்ன ஆச்சு? Okay.
லாஸ்ட் ஒன் டைலாக் சோத்துலயும் அடி வாங்கியாச்சு சேத்துலயும் அடி வாங்கியாச்சு
சோத்தலே
சோத்துலயும் அடி வாங்கியாச்சு சேத்துலயும் அடி வாங்கியாச்சு
சோத்தலே அணி வாங்கியாச்சு. Oh God.
ஆ
சொத்தலே
ஏதோ கெட்ட வார்த்தைலாம் வரும் போல
அப்படின்னா
வேணாமா சரி ஓகே எனிவே தேங்க்யூ யூ ஆர் வெரி டவுன்
Thank
டு
you
எர்த்
so
அண்ட்
much.
யூ ஆன்சர் ஃபார் ஆல் ஸ்டூபிட் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் அண்ட் ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட் ஃபார்
ரொம்ப
யுவர்
ரொம்ப
நெக்ஸ்ட்
நன்றி.
ஃபியூச்சர்ஸ்
Thank you so much for having me here.
ஸ்டார்டிங்லயும் எண்டிங்லயும் மட்டும்தான் தமிழ் வந்துச்சு வேற எங்கேயுமே வரல
I will learn definitely. Next interview will be completely in Tamil.
ஓகே. ஸோ இந்த மூவியோட
Yeah, I'm
ப்ரொமோஷனுக்கு
having
வருவீங்கல்ல,
some interest.
when you are coming to the promotion of the movie, you have to speak Tamil very fluently, okay?
Done, 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 done. Okay.
Okay, all the best for your next
Thank you,
movie
thank you, thank
and say
you.
something
Thank
for
you
your
so
fans.
much. It was lovely talking to you. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this, and please like, share, and subscribe this video. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Actually, I forgot to tell you. You told. Thank you
Okay.
so much.
Thank you.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.
ஓகே. ஸோ இந்த இன்டர்வியூவில் நான் எந்த லட்சணத்தில் இங்கிலீஷ் பேசினேன் அப்படின்னு பார்த்துருப்பீங்க. பட் இருந்தாலும் அவங்க கிட்ட பேசும்போது செம்ம ஜாலியாக இருந்துச்சு. ரொம்ப ஜாலியாக ஸ்போர்ட்டிவ் ஆன்சர் பண்ணாங்க எல்லாத்துக்குமே. நம்மளோட கம்யூனிகேஷனை புரிஞ்சுக்கிறதே ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். அதை புரிஞ்சுட்டு கரெக்டாக ஆன்சர் பண்ணாங்க. அதுக்காகவே இந்த வீடியோ பாருங்க. அவங்க சொன்ன மாதிரி மறக்காம லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச். பை பாய், டாடா.